Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yev, and today I'm going to show you how you can model, print and assemble this beautiful clock or any other clocks at your home, and budget will be less than 10 bucks. Let's go. Okay, first of all, check this out. This is a beautiful clock, fully 3D printed. I'm using, in my case, Bambu Lab H2D. So I can print as much as the build plate of my printer, which is roughly 320 millimeters, right? But theoretically you can divide it on a separate parts and print even bigger version. But today I'm going to show you step by step how you can get this exact clock by yourself. And by the way guys, if you just want to print my version of this clock, I will leave a link for the Maker World in the description under this video, and you can download it and print it absolutely for free. Okay, let's start from the basic stuff, right? Design. So to be able to create such design or any other design, I'm going to use today a ChatGPT. You can have a pro version, paid version, free version, whatever. It will work even with a free version, right? First of all, let's ask ChatGPT to create several ideas, several sketches of the wall clock, and you can add your inputs. What exact design do you want? As a stage 2, just pick the design what is reasonable and feasible to create and 3D print, right? Because all images are great, but we are going to use this mechanism, what you can purchase on Amazon for, I don't know, $3, and I will leave a comment for this exact mechanism under the video, but you can use any standard mechanism for this type of clock, right? And one of the main constraints that this mechanism is kind of not super small, so you need to hide it somewhere. And if you want to have it like a transparent or, you know, as a light version of the clock, you need to make sure that you will be able to hide this mechanism behind the clock. Now, when you have your image of the clock, what you want to have it, you need to transform this JPEG file, this image file, into the vector file, right? And you can use like whatever free website you can find in Google. It's a lot of them. Just upload your image from ChatGPT to this program that it can convert it into SVG, and you will have your SVG. Interesting nuance that you can ask ChatGPT to remove background from a picture of your preferred clock without clock hands, without anything. You need just a main body of the clock without background. Now, I assume you figured out how to get your vector file, and the next step is, again, depends on you. I'm using Fusion 360. You can use a Fusion 360 free version, or maybe you have a paid version, which is pretty expensive, or any other CAD software. What is your favorable tool for such stuff? And you need to upload your vector image into this software, so you will have a sketch of the clock. Now, when you have a sketch of the clock, you can extract or extrude, right, the required dimension. In my case, it's 10 millimeters, right? And you will get your body of the clock. Now, in my case, I want to have these golden inserts printed separately, right? For example, you don't have IMS, right? You want to print it in one color. So the body of my clock is black silk PLA, and this hours is golden PLA, and hands is a golden PLA, and the body for the mechanism is golden PLA. So you can have the separate parts. So this part depends on you. How flexible are you with modeling software? But it's super easy. You need just to extract the bodies, and you can add separate pieces if you want, and the mechanism on behind the clock, right? And the next step is even more simple, right? You have your Bambu Lab slicer or any other slicer, depends on what 3D printer ecosystem you have. You can print piece by piece and then just assemble with this mechanism using the instruction from the box with the core part of the any clocks. I hope you wouldn't expect to 3D print the mechanism itself, right? It wouldn't be possible with the current level of development of 3D printing. So this part you need to purchase, obviously, but rather than that, everything else done for you, and basically for free, because you can use free versions of the ChatGPT or any other LLM, and you can have a free version of any CAD software, and Slicer is free if you have a 3D printer, right? And that's all. And you can use any materials what you want to have and what you made to have, right? And again, if you want to print this exact clock, I will leave a link for the model. I will link a link for the filaments and for the core part, for the clock mechanism, in the description under the video. And if you like this video and you think it's useful, don't forget to smash a like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next useful video.